So yeah, this is Ashish Roy. Yeah, I'm also in the industry for 10 years. Mostly all my experiences in the IT sectors. I have 7 years in the US Army, 101 Expeditionary Signal Battalion, and then almost close to 5 years supporting US government, the defense IT industry, supporting US military throughout the world. And doing so, I realized that PMP will definitely add a lot of value, having a PMP certification. So I started this course, and I really learned a lot from this course. It looks like pretty much everything is covered that I really needed for this PMP course through this course. Probably a little bit like as Dana said, maybe if we have some questions, how the questions will appear during the exam, like maybe every session would be helpful, or also giving some direction in terms of how the exam will be and how should you also prepare in the exam. Some sort of direction on that way will be also helpful. So this is pretty much it. Hopefully we will pass the exam, and it's not only about passing the exam, but also the way our instructor Swati, she is helping us to learn so many real-life examples. That is actually very helpful in getting all these real-life examples. It's not only passing the exam, I know, but also to be a successful project manager in real life. That is also important. So learning those things are definitely very helpful. So really appreciate the Sprintzeal team and Swati. Thank you.